Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can enable dark mode in Chrome. It's fully for readability, so every website that you visit, it will be in dark mode. So every website that you're visiting will be in dark mode, not only Chrome, but every website that you visit in Chrome. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to go and we have to download this dark mode Chrome extension. This will be in the description below. It's from the official Chrome web store, and then you just click here, add on Chrome, add extension, and that's it. Now you've added the extension. Now we can close here. Any website, it will be in the dark mode. So as you can see here, example from Wikipedia, this is dark mode off and this is dark mode on. After you've done that, you need to go here on to new tab, open new tab, and here on the bottom right corner we click on this pen and make sure here you've selected the dark mode here. So make sure it's on dark mode so you can see every website that you visit are dark mode. So if you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. Bye.